Assalamu alaikum, my name is Ishan. Please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Wireless networks. Presentation outline. Wireless technology overviews. The EEE 802.11 Williams standards. Secure wireless LANs. Migrating to wireless LAN. Cutting the cord. Wireless A wireless LAN or WLAN is a wireless local area network that uses radio waves as its carries. The last link with the users is wireless to give a network connection to all users in a building or campus. The backbone network usually uses cables, common topologies. The wireless LAN connects to a wired LAN. There is a need of an access point that bridges wireless LAN traffic into the wired LAN. The access point AP can also act as a repeater for wireless nodes, actively doubling the maximum possible distance between nodes. Common topologies. Complete wireless network. The physical size of the network is determined by the maximum reliable propagation range for the radio signals, referred to as ad hoc networks, are self-organizing networks without any centralized control, situated for temporary situations such as meeting and conference. How do wireless LANs work? Wireless LANs operate in almost the same way as wired LANs, using the same networking protocols and supporting the most of same applications. How are VLANs different? They use specialized physical and data link protocols. They integrate into existing network through access points which provide a reading function. They let you stay connected as you roam from one coverage area to another. They have increased security considerations. They have specific interoperability requirements. They require different hardware. They offer performance that differs from wired LANs.